Arutwo ni ati Muthodeki watho Christopher Aseka na rutite Mukana Kuri Arutwo amwe kuma mutaratanaini wa CDF kuumana na kuaga mitugo na kuoha cia tene.Akiaria thukuruini wa airitu wa khwisero augite ikinya nirioeirwo rikioerwo arutwo amwe aria maagite mitugo na magatiganiria ndeto ino igemaine na CDF.
We've been able to discontinue some of you, unfortunately, because of indiscipline. And I still say, and I've directed your principals, that any scholar on full scholarship from the same, who is indiscipline in himself or herself, should be removed from this program.
You may be going through struggles. Your parents may not be as well endowed. You may not have parents, but you have guardians. Your guardians may not have the means. Yeah? But you now have your parent, your father in your MP. Is your mother and your father. This program, this CDA program is your mother and your father. What is important is that you must make use of it and succeed. Because this is going to be relayed, Mheshimiwa, I just want to say this. I don't do politics, but I'm intelligent enough to know what to support and not what to support.
I want to challenge the students that we are also expecting you to give back. And what you are expected to give back is in terms of good results. The future depends on what we do in the present. So what you are doing now will determine whether in future you will be sitting the other side, you will be sitting elsewhere, or you will not get a seat.